Hey everyone and welcome. Today, I will show you how to link Affirm on Whoop. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is head over to whoop.com. After that, log into your Whoop account. Then go to your account settings. Then go to payment info. Here you will see add a payment method. Click that button. After clicking, put in your credit card details or your Affirm, your full name, the country region, and the address. And after that, you can now confirm and add a payment method. And that is how you link your Affirm on Whoop.